Conditional behavior is a typical requirement in app design. It allows you, as the designer, to trigger different behavior based on values or selections made in the app at runtime. There are two branch commands that we can use to manage conditional behavior: the simple branch and the multiple branch. Both are in the General Behaviors toolbox. But remember, you can add them to your custom toolbox too. We will start with a simple branch command. You can define your condition in the Simple Branch Properties panel on the right. There are two types of conditions possible. A simple condition will allow you to use the state or value of a single field on the app, and an advanced condition will allow you to use the state or value of multiple fields on the app. The Advanced Condition Editor will be the subject of a different tutorial video, so for now we will stick with using a simple condition to demonstrate the basic technique. First, select the field on which you want to base your condition. Clicking the Select button will open a dialog box showing all of the pages in your app. Drill down to select the field using the arrowheads to open the pages or groups. In this example app, the request type is a drop-down object with both a caption and a value. It's the caption we are interested in, so we select and click OK. The next step is to select the condition operator from the available list below. In this case, we want to look for the IT equipment option, one of the items listed in the drop-down. Be aware that in this example we are looking for the condition request type caption is equal to IT equipment. But as each option in the drop-down also has a value element, we could have used the condition request type value is equal to 4. It is necessary, of course, to know the caption and value options in the drop-down objects. Now we have the condition specified, we can decide what behavior to trigger if that condition is true, and what behavior to start if the condition is false. First, let's look at the true condition. If we link the simple branch to the new command, you will see that the pathway starts with a green T icon, indicating which path is followed if the condition is true. We can now do the same for the false condition. Note the second pathway attached to the simple branch command will show a red F icon for false. You will find that only a maximum of two pathways can be attached to a simple branch command, the true and the false path. A simple branch command is usually the best option for simple conditional behavior, but you might need multiple conditions in some cases. You can use a multiple branch command if this is required. With the multiple branch command, you can add as many pathways as you need. 8 join points are available to use, and you can add more than one pathway to a single join point. You cannot add a condition directly onto the multiple branch command, but you will see that you can on each pathway, and this is how you can define multiple conditional behaviors in your app. You'll also notice a third option in the condition types, always if no other condition is met. The name explains this, but it's the else in an if-then-else type of condition. With a multiple branch command, you do need to ensure that your conditions are mutually exclusive, or in other words, that two or more conditions cannot be true at the same time.